Forget everything you know about FPV flying. For years, we've been trapped in a single perspective, forced to look only where the drone is pointing. But right now, DJI is about to shatter the fourth wall of aerial cinematography. We are standing on the precipice of a new era with the leaked DJI Avata 360. This isn't just an update to the Avata 2, it is a total paradigm shift. Imagine flying through a tight forest or a narrow hallway, and instead of just seeing what's in front of you, you are capturing every single angle simultaneously in 8K resolution. We are talking about the world's first invisible FPV drone that allows you to reframe your shots in post-production, making it literally impossible to miss the action. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. If you're a content creator, a real estate professional, or an FPV junkie, you need to listen very closely. Because the specs, the design, and the last-minute launch strategy DJI is pulling off right now are about to change the drone industry forever. The buzz started with a massive leak of a retail box that surfaced just days ago, revealing a design that looks like something out of a sci-fi movie. The Avata 360 features a revolutionary spherical carbon fiber and TPU cage. This isn't just for protection, it's a structural necessity for its most insane feature, the dual-sensor 360 setup. Rumors confirm that the Avata 360 is packing dual 1/1.1-inch CMOS sensors, the same high-end glass found in the top-tier Osmo cameras. These sensors are positioned to capture a full 360-degree field of view. But here is the kicker. The camera housing is rumored to be mechanical hybrid. It can lock into a forward-facing 4K 120 frames per second action mode for traditional high-speed FPV, or switch into a spherical 8K 50 frames per second mode that captures the entire sky and ground at once. This is the God mode of drone flying. You no longer have to worry about framing your subject while dodging obstacles. You just fly, the camera captures everything, and you pick the perfect angle later. But how do you fly a 360-degree drone in FPV goggles? This has been the biggest mystery, but the answer is mind-blowing. The Avata 360 will reportedly ship with a new version of the goggles that features vision-through technology. While you see a stabilized forward-facing feed to pilot the drone safely, the drone is recording a full sphere around you. Even more incredible is the head-tracking integration. You can literally turn your head to look around the drone's environment in real time, while the drone continues its flight path. It's the closest thing to actually having wings. Now, let's talk about the weight and the US ban drama that is making this the most intense launch in history. December 23rd is a date etched in the mind of every DJI fan in America, as regulatory hurdles loom large. DJI is reportedly rushing the Avata 360 to market before the end of 2025 to bypass potential restrictions. Despite the massive dual-camera array and the extra sensors, DJI has managed to keep the weight around 377 grams. While it's not under the 250G limit, it's built with a safety-first philosophy. The Avata 360 is rumored to be the first FPV drone with a full 360-degree obstacle avoidance bubble, powered by dual LiDAR sensors and a monocular vision system. It doesn't just see walls, it understands them. This makes it the first uncrashable FPV drone, opening the door for beginners to fly in ways that were previously reserved for the world's best pilots. Battery life has always been the Achilles heel